From creatively producing metals to innovatively using them to make world-class products, the Quad Cities Manufacturing Industry Cluster has become an integral part of the Department of Defense supply chain. Over 800 manufacturers and 1,200 Department of Defense suppliers are located within 90 miles of the Quad Cities.
We produce, for instance, aerial refueling equipment. So people, when you say, hey, when you see the aircraft tanker refueling the fighter jet, that's a Cobham Quad Cities product.
Quad Cities Manufacturing Innovation Hub and the Illinois Defense Industry Adjustment Program have created a manufacturing and DoD supply chain support ecosystem, which has become a catalyst of innovation, collaboration, and sustained growth across the region. The success of the ecosystem is driven by the 4 key areas of technologies, workforce development, supply chains, and business services. One of the key elements for the creation of the ecosystem was the Regional Technology Roadmap, which analyzed industry profiles, assets, impact trends, strategies, and structure to identify key technologies to utilize current and upcoming growth opportunities.
There's a tsunami of technology coming to the shop floor, and as a result, there's going to be winners and losers. And our job at the Manufacturing Innovation Hub is to make sure that our region's a winner.
8 technology playbooks were created to offer value to organizations struggling to find their way through the complex journey of Industry 4.0.
Forward planning matters, and I think connecting to the hub and connecting to also local manufacturers that are more on the leading edge of that can greatly help companies that are maybe lagging a little bit.
Providing education on new technologies is vital, as is a fast and flexible workforce to utilize emerging technologies and to remain nationally and internationally competitive.
We need all of our community to be prepared. So I think the exciting thing is those who are further along are more than happy to share what they've learned, lessons learned, so that we can pull everybody up forward.
Technology user groups meet on a regular basis to provide workforce development, networking, and industry support groups.
We attended Export Tech, and Export Tech has helped us to diversify our business, which of course makes us stronger. We learned about all of the different pros and cons of exporting and the best way to approach those things. We learned about screening international customers. We learned about shipping terms, all kinds of stuff, everything from A to Z about exporting.
The Digital Ready Playbook helps manufacturers make sure they fulfill all necessary digital industry standards.
The DFARS cybersecurity compliance workshop that we attended was a great scholarship for KBF to utilize. We sent our IT administrator to this, and he got the backbone information of what the government is requiring vendors to the government to be able to implement to continue to be vendors.
Market diversification sponsorships help businesses draft long-term strategic plans.
We were able to complete a diversification program that we've applied as we launch into a couple of new industries, and it's something we'll be able to go back to in future years as we try to get into additional industries.
The OEA grant allowed the Hub to accelerate the development of tools and services and to build up a network of more than 50 partner organizations, initiatives, and business service providers.
What was really good for us is somebody from outside come take a look at what we're doing and force us all to sit down and have a conversation.
We've seen nothing but results, and we're extremely happy with the opportunities that we've gained from these programs.
Visit quadcitieschamber.com/QCMIH to learn more.